Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to speak on a very interesting topic. Okay, and that is why is everyone growing except me in Herbalife? तो अगर आप एक Herbalife के distributor हो, तो maybe this question is in your mind. So I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, but before I solve this problem, let us first discover या कह सकते हैं write down all the problems which any Herbalife distributor faces. ठीक है, so people join Herbalife. There are two ways here, two type of people who join Herbalife. One is people who join Herbalife only to use the product and weight management, but just to enjoy the products, okay, for good health, fine. And there are other type of people who join Herbalife who see the career opportunity in this. They take Herbalife as a business opportunity. Okay, so people who take Herbalife as a business opportunity, and sometimes people, they struggle to make money even if they are into this business for 6 months, 1 year. So because of that, because of this struggle, there are few things, okay, जो कि surface level पर मैं बोलूँगा कि I have listed down few of the problems of Herbalife distributors. Okay, like I'm not getting enough prospects, nobody joins my team, people only buy products once, बार बार वो reorder नहीं करते, friends and family members they avoid because I talk about Herbalife, and nobody wants to nobody wants to see you as a Herbalife distributor. Okay, because they do not like जब उनको समझ में आता है कि यू आर यूजिंग रिलेशन टू मेक कमीशन. ओके, आई एम वर्किंग एवरी डे बट इनकम इज स्टिल लो, माई अपलाइन इज सक्सेसफुल बट आई कैन नॉट रेप्लिकेट द रिजल्ट्स, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू पोस्ट, आई कांट स्टे कंसिस्टेंट फॉर मंथ्स. टीम मेंबर ज्वाइन करते हैं बट वो काम नहीं करते, 6 महीने हो गए बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट अर्निंग, आई एम अर्निंग वेरी लिटिल मनी. So let me solve these problems, okay, in a form of this video. Okay, I want you to watch this entire video till the end. Now, before I talk about the three secrets or three ideas, three concepts which can help you to overcome these challenges, I want you to first of all be aware to grab a free gift. Click on the link in this video description. I have recently recorded a brand new training. This is a brand new training where you learn how to build your network marketing business 100% online. This is for Herbalife, Amway, Forever, all distributors, any network marketing company. But again, if you're into Herbalife, this is so important. So you can watch this, grab access of this free training. आप इस लिंक को क्लिक करोगे जो कि वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रहा हूँ, एंड आप नेम, ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर डालोगे, एंड immediately you will get access of this training. Okay, got it? So make sure you grab this free gift. So let's go to the mind map and let's understand why you are thinking like everyone is growing in Herbalife but you are not. Okay, so number one, that is stop building. Okay, this is a mistake which you are doing. Stop building Herbalife business and start building your personal brand. Now this is so important. What is personal brand? कई बार क्या होता है कि लोग हर्बलाइफ को इतना प्रमोट करते हैं अपने सोशल मीडिया में कि देयर इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल लुक्स लाइक हर्बलाइफ कैटलॉग, प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग. सो डू नॉट टर्न योर इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल इनटू हर्बलाइफ प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग, राइट? दिस इज अ ब्लंडर मिस्टेक. Nobody is interested in Herbalife. People join people. Okay, got it? So I will give you some tips, but I want all of you to, I want you to remember this word, that these words, that is digital reputation. Okay, what is your digital reputation? How people see you? Okay, which is जो हम digital marketing के words में बोलते हैं personal branding. It is actually your digital reputation. Okay, तो यहाँ पर here are few of the main thing, that is most Herbalife distributors, they wake up thinking कि मैं किसको अपना business pitch करूँ. But the real जो top distributors होते हैं, they ask different question. The question is what value I can create today, because people do not join product, people do not join the compensation plan, people join people they trust. So instead of chasing prospects, think क्यों ना आज एक valuable video बनाई जाए, and this video is going to go to cold market, people who are strangers. Share your transformation, teach nutrition, become a teacher online, maybe Instagram, YouTube, and become searchable. So the best search engine is YouTube and Google. So build your presence on YouTube, create videos, okay, valuable videos. If nobody knows you, nobody will join you. Like, okay, so people join you, so create your own digital reputation. Number two, by the way, if in case you want to know how to build this digital reputation, again I repeat, you have to get access of this free training, no charges, it is absolutely free. Click on the link in this video description. Okay, next is replace your random activity with daily system. लाइक आज मैं क्या करूँ, वही जो कन्फ्यूजन होता है ना कि आज मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, समझ नहीं आ रहा, लोग कहाँ से मिलेंगे, टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. सो मैनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आर बिजी बट दे आर नॉट प्रोडक्टिव. ओके, the daily success formula, you can create daily success formula of yourself, like maybe 5 conversations per day, 2 follow per day, 1 social media post per day. I suggest you to at least upload 1 YouTube video per day, 30 minutes of learning per day, maybe 1 interaction per day. So this way, write on a piece of paper or maybe your digital notes, what are the 7 things which I'm going to do every day. Okay, that's it. Your focus should not be कि मुझे सुपरवाइजर बनना है या मैनेजर बनना है या फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाना है हर लाइफ के. योर फोकस शुड बी आई विल कंप्लीट टुडे स्कोर कार्ड. Do not focus on the goal, focus on the activities. Consistency beats intensity. So if you want consistent income in Herbalife, you have to focus on consistent activities in Herbalife. Okay, again, if you want to know what type of activity kya mujhe karna chahiye, again I repeat you, okay, go to this link and in the video description get access of this training. I am giving you in-depth knowledge about it. Now stop comparing and start compounding. Do not compare yourself with other Herbalife distributors. Maybe you go to any success day, any event, and you find there people are getting success, they are making money. But मैं आपको suggest कर रहा हूँ आप compare मत करो खुद से, because when you compare yourself with other people, you do not know their journey. Because maybe you might be thinking कि लोग the other, जब आप अपना व्हाट्सएप खोलते हो या फिर इंस्टाग्राम खोलते हो, you see किसी और ने ज़्यादा आपसे ज़्यादा क्वालिफाइड है, किसी ने आप गाड़ी खरीद ली, किसी ने वो कोई आउटसाइड इंडिया चला गया. एंड उस केस में क्या होता है, मोस्ट हर्बलाइफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स दे डाउट देमसेल्फ, दे स्टार्ट डाउटिंग देमसेल्फ. ओके, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, the people you are comparing yourself with may have, okay, आप उनके सिर्फ रिजल्ट से कंपेयर कर रहे हो खुद को, बट दे मे हैव 5 years of experience, they may already talk to 10,000 people. Okay, you are just starting your journey and maybe they have failed 100 times, but they are not posting their struggles on Instagram. They're only posting the consequence of their hard work, right? So instead of asking why is everyone growing except me, your answer, your right question should be, am I better than I was 90 days ago? So you have to continuously work on yourself. So because business compounds exactly like investing. Okay, so instead of thinking one good day, think about 300 good days, because consistent good days, I mean, right intent, right activities every day. Once you focus on money making activities, this will compound. Okay, so these are the 3 things. I can give you more points, but these are the top 3 things. I want you to absorb this learning. And also, if you want to go little deep into all these things, I would suggest you to click on the link below, get access of my free training. I really want to keep this video put to the point and short, at the same time valuable, but I want you to listen to me further for 1 more hour. At least in this training, I'm going to give you a proper roadmap how you can actually build your Herbalife business 100% online without convincing anybody. Okay, so link is in description. Thank you very much. Subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.